AWeber Email Marketing Tool Review Usage Experience. Links to AWeber are in the description below. In this video, I'll be sharing my experience using AWeber, a long-standing player in the email marketing space that's trusted by thousands of businesses for its simplicity and reliability. AWeber is designed for small to medium-sized businesses, marketers, and entrepreneurs who want to create and manage effective email marketing campaigns without the complexity. AWeber's email editor is intuitive with a drag-and-drop interface that allows you to easily design and customize emails without needing coding skills. Whether you're creating newsletters, promotions, or automated follow-ups, AWeber provides a variety of templates to help you get started quickly. The tool also supports dynamic content, so you can personalize your emails by including subscriber-specific details like names or location. One of AWeber's strongest points is its email automation capabilities. You can set up workflows based on user behavior, like when someone subscribes, clicks a link, or makes a purchase. This allows you to nurture leads and maintain relationships through timely, automated messages, saving you time while still offering relevant content. AWeber also excels in list management with features that make it easy to segment your audience. Whether you want to group contacts based on behavior, location, or purchase history, AWeber allows for effective segmentation to send targeted messages. The A/B testing feature helps optimize campaigns by letting you test different subject lines, content, and send times to see what works best. Analytics and reporting are another strong suit, giving you clear insights into open rates, click-through rates, and conversions. This helps you measure the success of your campaigns and fine-tune your strategy for better results. Overall, AWeber is a reliable and user-friendly tool for businesses that want to create effective email marketing campaigns without the learning curve. Check the links in the description for more details.